Tammy at Terry Homes, and I am in a new construction house, and they just got done installing the flooring. They put in SPC flooring, stands for solid polymer core. And I wanted to show you guys the floor, kind of give you some care tips on it, little hints that might make it a little bit easier for cleaning. So anyway, here's a look at the floor. So there's the floor. It's a bit dirty right now, but like I said, it just got installed. The house is not even complete yet. So anyway, they leave an expansion joint, which allows the flooring to expand and contract. It's a free floating floor, so it needs a little bit of room to move. And here's a better look at it. It's a beautiful floor. So I wanted to give you guys some care tips on it. This is waterproof, so you can put this in the bathroom. That's where I am right now, in a bathroom. And you can also put it in the laundry area, kitchen. A little bit of water here and there will not hurt it. It's awesome for pets, children. It's an amazing flooring. So anyway, I wanted to tell you how to clean the floor. They recommend vacuuming the floor with a soft bristle brush. You don't want to use anything abrasive on it. Any sand, dirt, anything like that that gets on the floor, it could scratch it. No steam mops on this floor. Steam mops are not good, even though the floor is waterproof. The moisture from them can seep down underneath the floor and create a mold issue. So they recommend just using either hot water, vacuuming, sweeping. There is a Bona system, B-O-N-A. You can find it at any hardware store, grocery store. Great product. You don't want to use any wax on it or any products that have ammonia, wood polish. That will just build up on the floor. The floor is also hypoallergenic. It's great if you have allergies or asthma. It's a great floor. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, give us a call, 755-7516. Check out our website, terryhomesmt.com. And we've got a lot of maintenance videos on there, different things going on. So thanks guys, have a great day.